I'm Mark Ridgway, I'm Chief Executive of Group Rhodes. We're a group of 4 engineering companies. We're here today with Rhodes Interform, and we manufacture presses for special applications, metal forming machinery for special applications. We also do a line of composite machinery because lightweighting of aircraft, lightweighting of cars is really in vogue, of course, with respect to energy conservation and vehicle performance. It's important that metalworking companies stick together because we get mass in terms of focus of footfall, and also of course in terms of our technology being similar. People understand what we do when they visit the sector, and if they don't come here with any knowledge, it'll be 1 or 2 stands, we'll tell them about ourselves, and we can develop that goodwill with that customer and tell them about British engineering, presses manufactured in the UK, which hopefully will help us with a number of different needs in the UK economy. Group Rhodes is the oldest manufacturer of metal forming machinery in the world, we believe, 1824. I've checked it on AI and they don't argue. But today we manufacture big bits of kit. The machine behind me is a machine we have in a major aerospace company for lightweighting aircraft. We've done the same in China, the same in the States. From that particular point of view, understanding that here in the UK we're manufacturing this technology for a sector, the aerospace sector, which is the 2nd largest in the world, is something people don't notice. And so coming to the UK metal forming zone, they're not only looking at kit that they can buy here in the UK, but also kit that may come across overseas where we export probably about 30% of our turnover. If I can just mention the MMMA Awards as well, the award dinner later this year in November. A really important dinner to focus on the technology, the performance of the sector as a whole, to make sure we remain relevant to the organisations to which we have to sell to, and making sure we understand what the market requires. You do that through interchanging communication, peer group communication, really, really important. Also have a good time, a few drinks, and let everyone know that we're here and we're thriving, and the awards are really basically reflecting the best of class of the UK metal forming sector. Group Rhodes, or Joseph Rhodes initially, were founder members of the MMMA. So we go back to the 1940s. I think we're now the only founding member. I could be wrong. I'm sure Worcester Presses or 1 or 2 may contradict me, but we were here from the start. We remain a member of the MMMA because it provides relevant support for our businesses. It actually allows us to check for peer group references on key aspects from health and safety through to technology. And also, of course, it's a fraternity of members who are facing the same challenges from our economy on a day-to-day basis. A really good trade association. If anyone in the sector is thinking about joining, I would recommend it. The fees are very, very cost effective, and you do actually get a good insight into the technologies which these UK companies are producing in the metal forming sector.